Hi, so in this video we are going to discuss the components that I have received with my Arduino starter kit. So to start with, we have this Arduino Uno R3 board. Now this is not the original Arduino Uno, this is an equivalent, much cheaper than the original board, but behaves like the original itself. So this is going to be the heart of all our projects. Then to club it with the external devices, we have this Proto Shield or Prototype Shield. Now this comes with a lot of connecting pins on the base, and then there is a breadboard also which came with dual tape. I have removed that and pasted it on the top of this circuit board, and it's going to safeguard the SMD devices over here. So this is going to be clubbed and used together. Now to energize the entire circuit, we have this 4-cell holder. So this is going to supply 6 volts. Then to program the entire kit, here we have this type A to type B USB cable. The kit also came with this big breadboard. So everything over here is divided into rows, and then over here on the inside it's all about the using of columns. So we'll see this later. Then there is the IR receiver module and the remote control which we are going to use. Along with this, we require a lot of jumper cables. So these actually come as a ribbon cable, and I have taken out few. So this is the female connector, and the rest of the cables are with the male connectors. Then I have some resistors, plus there is also this light dependent resistor, so LDR. Then there are some LEDs. So this is yellow, red, this is the RGB LED 3-in-1, the green, and then we have the blue. Oh, I have received one more set, so seems I have been lucky in this case. Then there is a display which is the LCD display. So this is going to be the most interesting part of the entire Arduino journey. There are Zener diodes, and then there are push to on switches, so in case we have to make some noise. So this works well. Then there is a slide switch, so in case we have to slide it to turn it on, so that's there. This is again an interesting one. So this is the RFID module which comes in this electrostatic jacket. Then here is another component which is the joystick control. So here if you see, there are 2 potentiometers, one on this side, another over here, and then there is a push to on switch as well. So if I push it, and if we rotate this knob, you can see the potentiometer also is rotating. So this is how it functions. Then there is another potentiometer, so these are 2 in number. We have this ultrasonic sensor to detect motion inside a room. Then there is a relay to connect it to the external high voltage supplies. This is again another connector. This is the numpad. So this is the one with the soft keys. Okay, these are the soft keys. This is the parametric display, or we have this dot matrix module, or a single 7-segment display. And then there is also this 4-in-1 7-segment display. Then there are 2 buzzers in this. There are 2 different transistors. This is the normal diode. Then there is a servo motor, so hope you can read this micro servo. Then there are 2 ICs which we have received. One is like 2 in number and another is 1. Again another set of bigger push to on switches, so in case we push it, it works well. Then we have this again, this particular jacket is the electrostatic jacket, so there is a gas sensor inside this. Then we have this bow motor, and then there are different capacitors. So we are going to use all these in our projects. So happy learning.